Hi guys, it's me, and I'm doing a video today because I feel like I haven't done a video in ages, and I've only done one song singing Sundays, so I'm gonna do another song singing Sundays. So yeah. I'm going to be singing the first part of Firework by Katy Perry. So, 1 second. Hi guys, I'm back. So yeah, just been warming up and that. And yeah, so. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards that go from caving in? Do you ever feel so buried deep, 60 under screaming, no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light, let it shine, just own the night, let the 4th of July. Thanks. So yeah, that was the first part of Firework, Katy Perry. So yeah, hope you like it. So as I said, I hope you like it, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't like it, and comment and subscribe if you want to. So yeah, bye!